Conditions are becoming favorable for further withdrawal of southwest monsoon from some parts of Andhra Pradesh, some more parts of Telangana around the 23rd of October. With likely setting in of northeasterly winds in the lower tropospheric levels over Bay of Bengal and extreme south peninsular India, the southwest monsoon is likely to withdraw from entire country around the 26th of October 2021. Simultaneously, the northeast monsoon rains are also likely to commence over southeast peninsular India from around the 26th of October 2021. Mainly low-level northerlies, northeasterlies prevail over the state. Forecast for Day 1, dry weather likely to prevail over Telangana. Forecast for Day 2, dry weather likely to prevail over Telangana. Forecast for Day 3, dry weather likely to prevail over Telangana. Forecast for Day 4, dry weather likely to prevail over Telangana. Forecast for Day 5, light to moderate rain or thunder showers likely to occur at isolated places over Telangana.